Welcome back to the channel, guys. And this is Lifestyle with Devon, and this is I'm in the Washington DC, and we had a snowstorm Saturday into Sunday all day, and now I'm wearing 3 hats, 5 shirt, 3 pants. So I'm gonna flip this around so you guys can see what it look like right now. All right, so this is it. Pulling everything on 3D so you guys can see a better look. This is what the area looking like, and this is my truck. I was out there yesterday trying to do some snow removal, but I didn't get more than three property because it was too bad. And I got 2 snow blower on the back, shovel, salt, and look, all the way up you can see it. They haven't plowed it. This is what it look like. So my fellow Jamaican that never seen snow, don't be over crazy to see it. It might look pretty on the ground, but it's not pretty to move around in. And my truck is a 4-wheel drive, but I need tires, so I'm gonna see if I can make it out the spot. But this is what everything look like right now. See, snow everywhere. Ground cover, vehicle cover. The street is like this. The intersection is like that. So the main roads that you can see probably a little bit clear. It's like the main road. So stay tuned, guys. When I get on the main road, I'm gonna start recording again so you guys can see what's going on. Alright, guys, so I don't know how clear this video is, but this is what the road looking like out here, and you can see snow pile up on the side right there. Hope you guys can see that. These are all the snow trucks out here plowing. Look at them, they're plowing. They're out here plowing like crazy. Look. Alright, so let's put it this way now. So this is what some of the roads looking like. I'm just recording a short little piece of the road, and then when I'm coming back I will show you guys what some places look like. This is just 1 or 2 places looking like this. Alright, so stay tuned for more updates. Even 4-wheel drive getting stuck in the middle of the street because it's been so bad they didn't plow the road or anything. So even when you got 4-wheel drive, it's hard for you to get your vehicle out. This guy, 4 tires spinning in the middle of the street and he can't move. So that is how bad this situation is, because they come through and they plow just the main road. They don't touch the side roads. So it's a big problem. It's impossible. Everybody getting stuck. Okay, my people, this is the street that I live on. This is the street that I live on. Look at the street. They did not come through and plow the street. Snow everywhere. The street is impossible because it's a hill, and DC did not come and plow the street. My truck is a 4-wheel drive and I get stuck right there yesterday. Can't get out because all my wheels are spinning. So look at what DC does. They does not care about people getting through and from, as long as the main road is open. DC need to do better because everybody pay taxes and we need to function. Look at it.